Getting your phone connected to your new Toyota is straightforward with the updated Toyota Audio Multimedia System found in 2024 and 2025 models. First, start your Toyota and give the infotainment system about 30 to 45 seconds to fully load. This ensures all Bluetooth functions are ready. On your Toyota's infotainment screen, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and select Add Device. The interface is intuitive and clearly labeled. On your smartphone, enable Bluetooth in your device settings and make sure your phone is discoverable. Both Android and iPhone work seamlessly with Toyota's system. Your phone will display Toyota or your vehicle's model name in the available devices list. Select it, and you'll see matching PIN codes on both your phone and car screen. Confirm these match. Grant the necessary permissions for contacts, call history, and messages. Finally, test your connection by making a quick call or playing some audio to ensure everything works properly. For even easier pairing, newer 2024 models support voice commands. Just press and hold the voice button and say Pair Bluetooth device. You can also use the Toyota app with its vehicle connection feature for guided setup. Now that your device is paired, let's optimize your Bluetooth settings and learn how to troubleshoot common issues for the best Toyota experience. First, let's optimize your Bluetooth settings. Access your Toyota's Bluetooth menu and look for audio codec options. Choose aptX for the highest quality, AAC for good balance, or SBC for maximum compatibility. Enable Auto Connect so your phone automatically connects when you enter your Toyota. Also, allow contact syncing for hands-free calling and configure message notifications to your preference. If you encounter connection issues, start by clearing the Bluetooth cache on both your phone and car system. This resolves most common connectivity problems. For persistent issues, reset your phone's network settings. This will clear all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, giving you a fresh start. Keep your Toyota's software updated by visiting a Toyota service center. Software updates often include Bluetooth improvements and bug fixes. Follow these best practices for optimal performance. Keep your phone within 3 feet during initial pairing, regularly remove unused devices, and keep both your phone and Toyota system updated. With these optimization tips and troubleshooting steps, you'll maintain a reliable Bluetooth connection in your Toyota for seamless hands-free calling and audio streaming.